Hello kids, welcome back to our online classes. So children, today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 3. We need water for class 2 and subject social studies. So all the second class student, take out your reader, that is term 1 for class 2 and page number 131. Before we start, let us see what we have learned in the part 1. Yes, in the part 1 we were discussing about water, the different functions of water. हमें पानी ड्रिंकिंग के लिए, बाथिंग के लिए, क्लीनिंग के लिए, कुकिंग के लिए यूज होता है. नॉट ओनली दिस, नाउ फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट वाटर? सो लाइक वाटर वी गेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेन. The rain water which when it is raining, that water it is been collected in the ponds as well as lakes, so it becomes dirty. We cannot drink dirty water, so that's why we purify the water. So there are few methods of purifying the water. First one was we add what? Chlorine. So chlorine is added to add the water. Another is what? You can filter as well as you can boil the water. So this is how, these were the two methods with which we purify the water. And today we will learn about safe drinking water, safe handling of water and saving water. So let us start with the reading activity, that is safe drinking water. Drinking water should be germ free. It is safe to drink tap water from city supply. Water from a well or hand pump should be treated with chlorine. In diseases, it is safe to boil tap water also. So drinking water, whichever the water you are drinking, you should see that it should be germ free. Animals cannot purify the water. Whatever the water is there, they will drink that water. Okay, so it does not mean that we should also drink that water. No, we should see the water which we are drinking should be germ free. In the previous part 1 we have discussed that how to purify the water. There were two methods, chlorine as well as what? Boiling the water. So it is safe, like jo tap water, how the government is supplying us the water, it is safe for us. We can drink that water which is coming from the tap and which is being supplied by the government, as well as, but the water which we are using from well or hand pump, it should be treated with chlorine. Okay, so tap water which is being supplied by the government, you can drink that water. पर गांव में जैसा कि वो लोग वेल से या लेक से या पॉन्ड से, स्पेशली वेल से एंड हैंड पंप यूज करते पानी के लिए, ड्रिंकिंग के लिए, सो वो पानी को you should do what? You should purify it with chlorine. So when it comes to diseases, okay, so you must be very careful. तो अपना डिजीज होने से अच्छा है कि डिजीज होने से पहला ही जो हम पानी पीते हैं, हम वो पानी को बॉईल कर लो. So it is very good thing that every day if you are drinking water, whether you are getting water from tap also, still if you boil that water, it is very good for us and it does not cause any diseases. So this is how we should drink safe drinking water. Safe handling of water. Now next is what? How to handle water. Water should be stored in clean vessels, like wherever we are storing the water, especially the water which we drink. वो पानी को हमें देखना चाहिए कि हमें बहुत अच्छी जगह पे स्टोर करना चाहिए. The vessel which we are using, the jug which we are using, मटके, भगोने, जो भी हम यूज करते पानी भरने के लिए, सो हमें वो देखना चाहिए कि वो वेसल साफ सुथरा हो. इट्स नॉट कि उसके अंदर धूल मिट्टी हो या उसके अंदर जाले लगे हो या कुछ भी. यू शुड नॉट सी लाइक दैट. तो जो भी वेसल आपका रहेगा, आप उसके पहले धो लो, धो के उसे साफ कर लो, देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कैन स्टोर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इन दैट. इट शुड बी चेंज डेली. यस, एवरी डे यू शुड चेंज योर वेसल, बिकॉज एक ही वेसल को अगर हम 10 दिन 5 दिन लगातार यूज करेंगे पानी के लिए, तो क्या होता है, वो पानी के अंदर कीड़े जमा हो जाते हैं. सिर्फ कीड़े ही नहीं, mosquitoes, flies. Okay, when you see, they will see like there is a water, definitely they'll come and they try to drink. तो उसके अंदर हमें कीड़े भी मिलते हैं, सब मिलते हैं. So it is compulsory for us to change the vessel every day. Then draw water by a clean container with a long handle. So when you want to drink water, okay, directly हम vessel को उठा के तो पानी नहीं पी सकते. We need a glass, we need a bottle. So जो glass और जो bottle हम यूज करते हैं पानी पीने के लिए, यू शुड सी कि वो वाटर, वो ग्लास और वो बॉटल सेफ हो, क्लीन हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? सेविंग वाटर. हाउ वी शुड सेव वाटर. Water is very precious. We must use water with care. We must never waste water. Some ways to save water are. Why we should save water? Because before 10 years, 20 years, 30 years or 50 years or 70 years, okay, at that time we never used to pay tax, we never used to pay amount for water, okay. But now, yes, whatever the water which we are getting, it is free, but still there is electricity charges for that water, okay. So इसका मतलब यही है कि हम जो पानी पीते हैं उसके लिए भी पे करते हैं, क्योंकि पानी वहां से निकालना, पहला क्या था, वेल से पानी लेते थे तो उसके कोई चार्जेस नहीं रहते थे, नथिंग चार्जेस, ओके, प्रीवियस ईयर्स. बट नाउ यू कैन सी कि वाटर हमें निकालने के लिए देर आर मेनी चार्जेस. सबसे पहला तो मोटर के चार्जेस, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस. सो इट इज नथिंग बट इन ऑर्डर टू ड्रिंक वाटर वी आर पेइंग सम अमाउंट, ओके. सो दैट्स व्हाई water is very precious for us and it is compulsory for us to save. And what are the different ways to save water? Closing the tap while brushing our teeth, okay. So when we are brushing our teeth, people have a habit, while brushing also they just open the tap, the water will flow like that only. तो जब हम ब्रश करते हैं, हमारे ब्रशिंग के टाइम पे वो पानी को बंद कर दो, टैप को बंद कर दो, बिकॉज वो पानी कैसे भी वेस्ट हो रहा है. सो वाई टू वेस्ट, जस्ट क्लोज द टैप. Next is what, using a bucket instead of shower while bathing. We have a habit to take a shower bath, but while we are taking shower bath, it wastes lots of water. So it is said that we should use what, bucket instead of shower. Making sure the taps in your houses do not leak. Third is what, we should see that the taps which are there in our houses, it should not be leaked. टिप टिप पानी टपकते रहता है ना, इट मीन्स व्हाट कि वो आपका टैप जो है वो खराब है. सो इमीडिएटली कॉल द प्लम्बर एंड यू उसको आप वो टैप को ठीक कर दो. टेकिंग ओनली एज मच वाटर एज वी नीड टू ड्रिंक. सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ वाटर, यू शुड सी कि आपसे जितना पानी पिया जा सकता है आप उतना ही पानी ग्लास के अंदर भरो. अगर आपसे वो पानी नहीं पिया जाएगा, आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट वी विल डू, विल जस्ट थ्रो ऑफ दैट वाटर. वी शुड नॉट डू लाइक दैट. जितनी आपकी कैपेसिटी है, हाउ मच वाटर यू कैन ड्रिंक, वेदर यू कैन ड्रिंक 1 glass of water, you can drink half glass of water, you should drink it. Drinking water is good for health, but you should see that how much you can drink, you should take that much water only. You should not throw rest over water. Turning off the tap properly after use. I know you people know all those things. After using, after water or after using, taking water from the tap, you will close the tap, okay. In the schools also we take water from the tap many times, and I have seen my children after taking the water, after using the water, you people will close the tap. Next, after coming back from school, pouring the water left in our water bottle into flower pots. So स्कूल में हम वाटर बॉटल लेके जाते पानी पीने के लिए, राइट. तो हम पूरा पानी फिनिश नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपकी बॉटल में थोड़ा सा पानी रह गया हो, सो इमीडिएटली यू शुड कम, or wherever you are seeing like pots are there, flower pots are there, or trees are there, you pour that water into the tree or a flower pots, okay. So it means what, जो पानी आप नहीं पियेंगे वो पानी pots, flowers, plants पी लेंगे. So वो पानी waste नहीं हो रहा है, okay. Instead of throwing on a road, just pour that water wherever you are seeing plants or trees, okay children. So these were the basic things that we should take care to save water, because water is very compulsory for us, very important to us. So that's why these are the basic things which we should take care, which we should keep in our mind in order to save water, and which type of water we should drink, okay children. So with this we have completed our lesson number 3. And yes, day before yesterday I have given you keywords also of lesson number 3. I hope you people have written down in your classwork, and after this I am going to give you objective as well as question answers. So by seeing the picture, you copy down the objective and question answers in the reader or else classwork, okay children. We'll meet soon with our next video with our new lesson. Till then, goodbye and take care.